Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss general awareness related questions. Let us start. Dash has launched Guardians app aimed at personal safety, and the answer is Truecaller. Next, Government of India has proposed to hike LIC's authorized capital too, and the answer is 25,000 crore. Next, घरों की पहचान चलिक नाम, that is daughter's name is a home's identity scheme is launched by which state? And the answer is Uttarakhand and in Nainital with a budget of 42 crores. Dash app launched by Union Minister Thawarchand Gehlot to ease accessibility issues faced by differently abled in buildings transport system. And the answer is Sugamya Bharat. Next, which state has increased number of working days from 100 to 150 under Mahatma Gandhi Narega? And the answer is Uttarakhand. Sri Lanka to develop West Container Terminal at Colombo with India and Dash. And the answer is Japan. Kanyaputri, which are on display in India Toy Fair, are traditional toys of which state? The answer is Bihar. Atkul Pongala is a 10-day religious festival celebrated in which state? And the answer is Kerala. Who is the author of book Advantage India, the story of Indian tennis? And the answer is Anandya Datta. Which country has launched first Arctic monitoring satellite Arctica M? And the answer is Russia to track climate change. Made in India spectrograph, which was commissioned on Devastal Optical Telescope, is designed and developed by. And the answer is Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Science. And the name given to this spectrograph is Arias Devastal Faint Object Spectrograph and Camera. Who has inaugurated the second edition of Global Bio India 2021? And the answer is Dr. Harshvardhan. And the theme is Transforming Lives, and the tagline is Bioscience to Bioeconomy. Who won the Best Actor award at 78th edition of Golden Globe Awards 2021? And the answer is Chadwick Boseman for the movie Ma Rainey's Black Bottom. Which film won the Best Film Award at 78th edition of Golden Globe Awards 2021? And the answer is Nomadland in the category of drama, and the director Chole Jao also won the Best Director award. And the Best Actress award was received by Andra Day for the movie The United States versus Billie Holiday. Which payment bank has received the status of scheduled bank by RBI recently? And the answer is Fino Payment Bank. The MD and CEO is Rishi Gupta, and it is headquartered at Mumbai, Maharashtra. Dash has won gold in Ukraine wrestling event in 53 kg category, and the answer is Vinesh Fogart. Which Indian state to host the India Women League 2020 to 2021 of 5th edition? And the answer is Odisha. Which becomes the first country in the world to receive vaccine through COVAX Vaccines Initiative? And the answer is Ghana. And the capital is Accra, and the currency is Ghanaian cedi, and the president is Nana Addo Dankwo Akufo-Addo. World's largest Motera Cricket Stadium has been renamed as the Narendra Modi Stadium. Is located in which state? And the answer is Gujarat, and the place is Ahmedabad. This was inaugurated by President Ramnath Kovind. Before this, Melbourne Cricket Ground was the largest in the world. Which country became the top trading partner of India in 2020, surpassing US? And the answer is China. India's export to China increased by 11% to $19 billion in 2020. Government of India and Dash signed agreement for $304 million to improve reliability, capacity and security of power transmission network in the state of Assam. And the answer is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Which state or union territory to launch Carbon Watch, a mobile application to assess the carbon footprint of an individual? And the answer is Chandigarh. Eminent poet Vishnu Narayan Namboothri, who passed away recently, belongs to which state? And the answer is Kerala. Which country assumed the chairship of BRICS Finance and Central Bank Deputies 2021? And the answer is India. BRICS is celebrating its 15th anniversary, and the first summit held on 16 June 2019 at Ekaterinburg, Russia. Which state has launched the E-Parivahan Vyavastha to provide online service for obtaining driving license, permits, etc.? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. The first G20 Finance Minister and Central Bank Governors meeting 2021 is hosted by which country? And the answer is Italy. Which Indian company to set up an electric vehicle plant in Bangladesh? And the answer is Omega Siki. Which city has been recognized as 2023 City of the World by the Arbor Day Foundation and the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations? And the city is Hyderabad, which is in Telangana state. Indian Navy ship Pralaya participated in NAVDEX 21 and IDEX 21 in Dash. And the answer is Abu Dhabi in UAE. Next, Dash addressed the valedictory function of India-Australia Circular Economy Hackathon 2021. And the answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated oil and gas project in which state recently? And the answer is Assam, and dedicated INDMAX unit to the nation at this event. Who is the author of book Maverick Messiah, a political biography of N.T. Ramarao? And the answer is Ramesh Kandula. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the centenary celebration of which incident of freedom movement? And the answer is Chauri Chaura incident, which took place on 4th February 1922 in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Who has become the youngest female pilot in India? And the answer is Aisha Aziz at the age of 25. She is from Kashmir. Which country to build world's biggest offshore wind farm? And the answer is South Korea. Who co-chaired the Indian part of EU and India high-level dialogue on trade and investment? And the answer is Sri Piyush Goyal, and the European Union headquarters is in Brussels, Belgium. Which space agency has launched the SpaceX mission? And the answer is NASA, and SpaceX stands for Spectrophotometer for the History of Universe, Epoch of Reionization and Ice Explorer. Which council has approved the establishment of world's largest radio telescope? And the answer is Square Kilometre Array Observatory Council, and the headquarters is in United Kingdom. Who has been appointed as the managing director of Google Cloud in India? And the answer is Bikram Singh Bedi. Which state has launched the SANS campaign to reduce infant mortality? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. SANS stands for Social Awareness and Action to Neutralize Pneumonia Successfully. Sri Bansi Kaul, theatre director and founder of Dash, has passed away recently. Rang Vidshak. India and Afghanistan has signed an agreement to build the dam in Kabul to provide drinking water facility in the Afghan capital, and the dam is Shatut Dam. Next, Dash probe of UAE has entered the orbit of Mars, and the answer is Hope. Next, New Development Bank has announced Dash million into the NIIF funds, and the answer is $100 million. Next, who has crowned the VLCC Femina Miss India World 2020? And the answer is Manasa Varanasi. She is from Telangana. Next, which state government to build COVID warrior memorial? And the answer is Odisha and the place is Bhubaneswar. Dash in collaboration with ISRO to build an indigenous alternative to Google Maps, Bhuvan. And the answer is Map My India. What was the name of the app developed by National Informatics Center alternative to WhatsApp? And the answer is Sandesh app. Hospicash Insurance is launched by ICICI Lombard in partnership with Dash. And the answer is Flipkart. Which country to build world's first energy island in North Sea? And the answer is Denmark. Dash to shut down domestic payments business in India from 1st of April. And the answer is PayPal. President Ramnath Kovind inaugurated museum dedicated to General K.S. Timmayya in which state? And the answer is Karnataka. A Dash member high-level committee is constituted to commemorate 75 years of India's independence. And the answer is 259 members, and this high-level committee is headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When was Salt Satyagraha launched or Dandi March is launched? The answer is 12th March 1930. This is also very important from the exam point of view for those who are writing ACGC PO. Which year has been declared as the International Year of Millets by United Nations General Assembly? And the answer is 2023. Which city or cities topped the Ease of Living Index 2020 among 111 cities? And the answer is Bangalore for million plus category and Shimla for less than million category. Bengaluru followed by Pune, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Surat, and Shimla followed by Bhubaneswar, Silvassa, and Kakinada. And in terms of municipalities, Indore in the category of million plus, and New Delhi Municipal Council in the category of less than million. Next, World Bank to launch Dash Million Credit Guarantee Scheme to boost solar rooftop project in India. And the answer is $100 million. Next, who has been appointed as the chairperson of International Boxing Association's Champions and Veterans Committee? And the answer is Mary Kom. Next, in which state India's first digital university was set up? And the answer is Kerala. India and World Bank has signed Dash Million to improve quality of school education in Nagaland. And the answer is $68 million. 47th Khajuraho Dance Festival took place in which Indian state? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, Exim Bank to provide Dash Million to Maldives to fund Greater Malay Connectivity Project. This question is also very important for those who are writing ACGC PO. Next, answer is $400 million. Next, Mandu Festival is celebrated in which Indian state? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh, and the district is Dhar district. Snakepedia mobile app to help snakebite people was launched by which state? And the answer is Kerala. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched Mahabahu Brahmaputra initiative to improve connectivity in the eastern states. In which state? The answer is Assam. SBI has tied up with Dash to use the blockchain technology link. And the answer is JP Morgan. What was the new product launched by HDFC Ergo to protect MFIs, financial institutions, and banks in the event of catastrophe or natural disaster? And the answer is Business Kist Suraksha. Who was the chairman of the Muthoot Group who has passed away recently? And the answer is MG George Muthoot. Indian Coast Guard has celebrated its 45th Rising Day on, and the answer is 1st February 2021. Next, India's first Center for Wetland Conservation and Management to be set up in which Indian state? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you.